It is math's mystery and magic. One-stop solution for your every problem. Share your problems in comment box, I am here to solve it magically. Dear friends, can you calculate the day of the 29th of March 1915, or any other day of any year? If you see the full video, then I can assure you that after practicing for 60 minutes, you can calculate any day in 30 seconds. Let's start it. Now we will calculate the day of the 29th of March 1915. Please see the calculation first. I know it is hard to understand at this moment. When I will explain you the procedure, it will be the easiest. 1914 divided by 400 equals 4 as quotient and 314 as remainder. Now we will take last two digit, that is 14, and divide by 4. Quotient equals 3. Now the calculation is 14 plus 3 equals 17, and 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15. We add 17 and 15 and get 32. Now divide 32 by 7 and we get 4 as quotient and 4 as remainder. We will take the remainder 4 and then do the following addition. 4 plus 3 plus 29 equals 36, and then divide 36 by 7. We get remainder 1. So the 29th of March 1915 was Monday. Now I will explain you the entire process. Today I will teach you the easiest way of calculating a particular day. From the given date starting from 1 AD to infinitive years till the Gregorian calendar exists. Calculating any day from 1 AD will be first time in YouTube. You can calculate the particular day from a given date. Till date no one in YouTube has explained it. So let's start. I will try to do it in the easiest way. First we will divide it in two parts. First part is from 1 AD till the 2nd of September 1752 for Julian calendar. And second part is from the 14th of September 1752 to infinitive date till the Gregorian calendar exists. Only two almost similar process can solve all the problems of calendar. Though the Gregorian calendar came into existence from the 15th of October 1582. But most of the European country, British Empire and colonial states of British Commonwealth started it from the 14th of September 1752. Complete year, for calculation of day from 1 AD to the 2nd of September 1752. Our year begins from March and ends in February. It means if a date is from the 1st of January to the 29th of February of any year, then we will take the previous year as our completed year. Odd days. Remaining days after dividing by 7 are odd days for our calculation. That is the remainder after dividing any days by 7. Calculating year for calculation of days from 1 AD to 1752. The year given in question is our calculating year. Previous year and calculating year is same if the date in question is on OR after the 1st of March and ends on OR before the 31st of December. For dates starting from the 1st of January and ending on OE before the 29th of February. Calculating year will be the year in question and previous year will be preceding year. Every normal year has 365 days and every leap year has 366 days. So when we divide 365 by 7 we get quotient of 52 and remainder of 1. That is every normal year has 52 weeks and 1 odd day. After 4 years we get a leap year which has 366 days. When we divide it by 7 we get 52 as quotient and 2 as remainder. That is 52 completed weeks and 2 odd day. So in a block of 4 years we will have 5 odd days. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals 5 odd days. In a block of 100 years we get 25 leap years. That is 125 odd days. When we divide 125 odd days by 7 we get 17 as quotient and 6 as remainder. So there is 6 odd days in a block of 100 years. Value of years block of 4 years equals 5 block of 100 years equals 6. Value of months. This is the most important magic in calculating the days and you have to remember it always. The better way for remembering it is take a screenshot of this portion and keep with you. It can be memorized within few minutes. Now I am explaining you the value of months. As our year starts from March for calculation, so we will also start to explain from March. As March has 31 days, so 31 divided by 7 gives us a remainder of 3. This 3 is odd day of a complete week, so our value is 3 for March. April has 30 days. Now we will add 3 odd days of March with 30 days of April, which gives us a result of 33 days. After dividing 33 days by 7 we get a remainder of 5 days, so the value of April is 5. Again we add 5 with 31 days of May. Here we get result as 36, which divided by 7 gives 1 as remainder. So value of May is 1. And the show goes on like this. Now a question arises subsequently that January has 1 odd day and normal. February month has 28 days. So why our value of month shows 0 odd day for February? The answer is our year ends in February and we have already taken the odd day of a complete year. In value of year, which I have discussed earlier. The best way to remember it easily is break in 3 parts. First is 1, 0, second is 3, 5, 1, 3, 6 and third is 2, 4, 0, 2, 5. Now memorize some rules. Rule number 1. We will separate the 30R4 digit of year in 2 parts from our right. Please remember we will start it from our right. So first take 2 digit in unit and 10th place from your right. Now take the left over 1 digit for 3 digit year. And take left over 2 digit for 4 digit year. I will tell you now purpose of this 2 separated parts. For example, if our calculating year is 567, then we will separate it as 67 first and then 5. If our year for calculation is 1567, then we will separate it as 67 first and then 15. Rule number 2. Check the date. If it is on or after the 1st of January and on or before the 29th of February, then take the previous year for calculation. For example, if the date is the 22nd of February 567, then we will separate it as 5 and 67. We will take 66 as our calculating year. If the date is the 2nd of March 567, then we will divide it as 5 and 67. And the calculating year will be 67. If you have understood till here, then you have achieved 75% of the work. Rule 3. Multiply separated part of 100th and 1000th place with 6. Divide separated part of unit and 10th place with 4. Take the product and quotient and add with the calculating digit. Add 3 numbers and divide by 7. Take the remainder. For example, let us take the date the 24th of February 567 AD. We have separated it as 5 and 67. Now as the date is in February, we will take 66 as calculating year. So applying rule 3, we get 5 multiplied by 6 equals 30 and 66 divided by 4 equals 16. Is quotient. So now we will add 30, 66 and 16. And divide the result with 7 to take the remainder. Therefore 30 plus 66 plus 16 equals 112 divided by 7. Here we get 16 as quotient and 0 as remainder. We will take the remainder for our calculation. Here 0 is the remainder. Rule 4. Add the value of complete month from chart and the date with result of Rule 3. Divide the result by 7 and remainder will be the day from day chart. For example, our date is the 24th of February 567 AD. So we will take value of January as completed month and 24 as the date. So value of January as per chart is 1 and date is the 24th of February. We will add 1 plus 24 equals 25. Now add this value with remainder of Rule 3 and divide by 7. So if we work out it, then result is 25 plus 0 equals 25 divided by 7, quotient is 3 and remainder is 4. As per day chart 4 is Thursday. So the 24th of February 567 is Thursday. You can check the date from https://timeanddate.com/calendar/generate.html. The link is also posted in comment section of this video. Solution 1. Let us take a date the 12th of January 999 AD. As the date is before the 29th of February, we will take it as 998 from starting for calculation. Now let's proceed. We will separate 998 as 9 and 98. 98 divided by 4 equals 24 as quotient and 2 as remainder. So we will add 98 and 24. 98 plus 24 equals 122. Now multiply separated 9 of 100th place with 6. Or 9 multiplied by 6 equals 54. Adding both the value and dividing by 7. 122 plus 54 equals 176 divided by 7 equals 25 as quotient and 1 as remainder. We will take 1 for our next step. Add value of previous month, that is December, along with date. Or 5. Value of December. Plus 12. Date. Plus 1. From previous step. Equals 18. Dividing 18 by 7 we get 2 as quotient and 4 as remainder. Answer: 4 is Thursday as per our chart. So the 12th of January 999 AD was Thursday. Solution 2. Let us take a date the 2nd of September 1752. As the date is after the 29th of February, we will take it as 1752. From starting for calculation. Now let's proceed. We will separate 1752 as 17 and 52. 52 divided by 4 equals 13. Is quotient and 0 is remainder. So we will add 52 and 13. Equals 52 plus 13 equals 65. Now multiply. Separated 17 of 100th place and 1000th place with 6. Or 17 multiplied by 6 equals 102. Adding both the value and dividing by 7. We get 65 plus 102 equals 167 divided by 7 equals 23 as quotient. And 6 as remainder. We will take 6 for our next step. Add value of previous month, that is August, along with date. Or 2. Value of August. Plus 2. Date. Plus 6. From previous step. Equals 10. Dividing 10 by 7 we get 1 as quotient and 3 as remainder. Answer: 3 is Wednesday as per our chart. So the 2nd of September 1752 AD was Wednesday. Verify it from the site I have given in description.